Figma has recently released this update which you have a color wheel and you can directly bring all these color palettes generated in Figma. So you have your color code right here, so you can just add your color code right here. You can also pick a palette type, you can have a complementary, and you see as you change it the palettes generated right here as well. So let's keep the monochromatic one. So what you can also do is just click open in Figma, and what it's gonna do is gonna generate this color palette directly in your Figma file. So you can see you have this option right here. What you can also do is just bring this to the side, and you can see all your color palette has been generated, as well with the selected colors right here on the side. What you can also do is you can also use the wheel, and you can update the colors as you like, and you can see the changes right here on the bottom, right, which is very useful. And if you click on updated colors, all the color palettes and all the shades will be updated as long with the selected colors on the styles on the right hand side. This is very useful when you're gonna use it for your variables or for your tokens or for your next project, or is something that you just want to create a color palette, and you can do it in just few clicks. What you have right here, you can also have your base colors right here in the bottom as well as on this side. So you can always just update this color. Let's say you want to put it in T, generate palette, and you're gonna see it's gonna create different palette. Well, so yeah, very cool update. I'm very happy that Figma has created this color wheel generator, which it can generate and can be opened directly in Figma. Here as well you can find more information and more details, how it works and what other functionality does it have. Hey there, if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Just click on subscribe button and stay updated with my latest upload.